We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
Orange, yellow, red, green.
I think green is my favorite color because that's the color of my beard.
My favorite color is purple, like my beautiful spikes.
What's your favorite color, Rainbow?
My favorite color? Oh, I like red. La la red ball, I love red, like birds that fly and speedy sleds. Apples, roses, strawberries.
This bird that's pecking on my knee. Ouch!
La la red bird, I love red.
Now it's sitting on your head.
Ah!
Wait, no, I also like green. La la green leaf, I love green. You are in so many things. Frogs and grass and leaves on trees.
This giant stalk of broccoli.
La la green leaf, I love green.
We have a giant
lima bean.
Oh, blue, I like blue too. La la blue shoe, I love blue. You're my favorite color too. Blue sky so high, blue sea so clear.
Blue gnomes that live inside my beard.
La la blue gnomes, I love blue.
It's our favorite color too.
Oh, I just can't choose. There's so many great colors. A rainbow in the sky doesn't just have one color. It's got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. La la rainbow, I can't choose. I love lots of colors too. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo and violet too.
La la rainbow, we love you.
Thanks, guys. I love you too. La la rainbow, I can't choose. I love lots of colors too. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo and violet too.
La la rainbow, we love you.
Thanks, guys. I love you